Getting ready for peanut butter. Let's eat food with daddy. Don't eat peanut butter tonight. Okay? Do you want to try daddy's food? It's really delicious, Joseph. I'm sure you will like it. Wait. Do you want to try? Yeah? I have to warm it up first. There is salad too. Okay. Yeah. If you didn't like it, then I give you peanut butter. Yeah? I'm sure you will like it. What? Yay! Yeah, good work. Yeah. Daddy's food is delicious. Getting ready. Are you ready? Oh, see, even Tia gonna eat that too. Look at him, he's looking. What's going on in there? Daddy's food in there. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, it's daddy's food. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Are you ready? You wanna eat too? Yeah, I bet you wanna eat too. What's going on, you mean? Okay, move. Ooh, it's got hot. Okay. What? Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Mickey Boo. Okay. I guess you guys should eat first then. Diego. Yeah, everyone. Up. Step up. Diego, up. Yeah, cucumber. Try cucumber. Go down in. I cannot share with you, Theo. It's not good. Yeah, up, baby. Step up. Up. Baby, up. Good boy. Yeah. There you go. Tiago, cucumber. Try cucumber. Cucumber. Eat cucumber. No? cucumber. Yummy. Yeah. If you like it, give me a kiss. Oh, you like it? Pick you now. You got full. Don't clean yourself with daddy. Hoppa. Hey, stop, Diego. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Daddy share his food with you. Okay? Hoppa. Tiago. Step up. Step up. Be good boy, Tiago. Hey. Tiago. No biting. Step up. Good job. Give me a kiss. Be good boy. Listen, okay? I miss you too. Miss you, miss you. Miss you, miss you. Cute, cute. Cute, cute. Say cute, 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 cute. 1, 2, 3, cute. Go sleep, baby. Yeah, you sleep. Look at you. That's what's up. That's what's up. You got full too? Yeah. Now you want peanut butter. Are you serious? Are you serious? Now you want peanut butter. No, 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 no. Let's go get your napkin, clean your beak, and go to sleep and let daddy eat, okay? Up. Good boy. Up here. Yeah. Diego, it's not time to play. He's playing in the kitchen. Tiago. Tiago, night time. Come on. Play with your can tomorrow. Joseph, that's not yours. Give it back to daddy. Give it to me. Leave it. Good job. Good boy. Come give me a kiss too. You want peanut butter? Come give daddy a kiss. So I know you want peanut butter. Let's go sleep. You ready to sleep? Your eyes are sleepy. Come on. Up. Come on. Up, Joseph. Come on. No, don't even think about my new gloves because they were expensive. Step up. Good boy. Up. Joseph. Be good boy. Listen to that. Ready? No. Joseph, not even touching it. Don't even think about it too. No way. Joseph, I will buy you too. No, I don't go out. I will buy you new glove too. Joseph, hey. No. You know daddy going to get angry. Come here. Come here, Bemina. What? Now it's your turn? Come on, good boy. I will get you Glovey. I will buy you Glovey too. Promise, come. Saying bye to Glovey. Come here. No! You good boy. I will buy you, okay? But not those. Those are for daddy. No. Stop it, Tiago. It's not time to play. No, Joseph. I will tell Tiago come chase you. You want that? Tiago, go chase Joseph. Go peekaboo Joseph. Go. Run to Joseph. Run. See? No, be careful. I'm gonna tell Tiago come. Run, chase you. You don't want that happen. Okay. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Sleepy time, Joseph. Say okay, bye. Be right back to Glovey. Okay. Bye. I will buy you a new Glovey, okay? Say okay, bye to Glovey. Say bye. See you, bye. Be right back. Bye. Be right back. Did you? Tiago, no. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Okay, let's go. Let's go sleep. Tiago gonna run to you, Joseph. Up. Odio. Mm. Good boy. Joseph is a good boy. He listens to daddy. Right? Mm. Let's go sleep. Okay. Up. Yeah. Bye, Chloe. Good night. Say good night. Say night night, Chloe. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Daddy will bring you to me. Yeah. Okay, good night. I love you. Night night. Yeah. Go. Come on. Joseph, you know it's sleepy time. You know it's a sleepy time. You know it's a sleepy time. So be a good boy and go sleep. Good boy. Come. Listen. It's a sleepy time. That yesterday didn't have his dinner. Okay? You boys go sleep so I can have my dinner. Okay? Come on, Joseph, be good boy. Don't make daddy angry. Come on, Joseph. Good job. Good boy. Good night. Yeah. Yeah. Night night. Tiago, your turn. Night night. Good boy. Go sleep. Yeah. Night night.